starting off the morning here in Port St. John. The goal today is to drive to East London. It's only like 5 hours, but it's raining and kind of dreary today, so hopefully that doesn't put any hiccups in the plan. Still driving.
Got stopped by the police.
No, we didn't.
I thought they told me to pull over, but then they just said go ahead.
You're on.
Oh. It's no big deal. We're just currently driving through the town in South Africa with the highest murder rate. No big deal. Erica calls it Matata, but I think it's Tata. Silent M.
Matata's funner.
We gotta make light of these situations. Hopefully nothing happens. Nothing will happen.
We're just cruising through, it's fine. So I just saw a sign. It said that the reason for all of the speed bumps was traffic calming.
I feel very calm.
I feel like the traffic was calmed.
Yes.
Almost there again to East London.
Ooh, a lot of driving.
We obviously got checked in, just relaxed last night, but now we're back on the road. Our last road trip day to get to where we're trying to do, and we have a stop. Don't know how exciting it's gonna be, but we'll see.
Did you try to suck my ear?
Oh, well, that's weird.
We made it to our first pit stop. I don't know if you can guess where that is. The world's biggest pineapple.
I wasn't aware this was a thing, but it is, and it's here in South Africa.
In your face, SpongeBob.
I don't know what's in it, but it was almost on the way, so you gonna check it out?
I'll give you $10 if they sell sponges here. I owe you $10.
Why?
Well, not really. I don't think I owe you. I'll give you $5. I don't see a sponge that they sold in here, but I did see SpongeBob.
Well, I found out, interestingly, this area is actually outside of the pineapple growing area, but it still grows pineapples because of some current from Mozambique. So, there you go. Little mini museum here.
Who brought the pineapples to Europe?
Someone in like 1665.
What's the nickname for pineapples?
Nanas.
Nada! This is the look Erica gives me about 95% of the time.
Whew. We're on top of the big pineapple.
I forgot to lock the car. I don't think it's going to happen to it, but let's see if we can lock it.
Oh my god.
It worked. Yep. Our stuff is safe.
Oh, it just blew a whole bunch of rain at me. This pineapple is so random. It's literally not in the middle of nowhere, but like kind of 12 kilometers inland from much, and it's just here you can see it from the road. Big old pineapple.
We might get a pineapple snack, and then we will head off to our next destination. We'll be in this area for quite a while. You just shook the bottle. She shook the bottle when it says do not shake the bottle.
I didn't shake the bottle.
Either way.
We ended up with pineapple coconut jam
and pineapple beer. We had banana beer back in Uganda. Yeah, Uganda. And so now we're having pineapple beer. We'll see how it tastes a little bit later.
I'm a little confused because it's beer, but it's in a wine bottle.
Yeah, it's in a wine bottle, but it's beer.
Regardless.
Looking forward to it. So after the giant pineapple, we're going to stay the night here in Colchester and then head to some sort of self-guided park. I think we'll confirm with Erica tomorrow morning. Oh, wrong side. Wrong side again, huh, bud?
Yeah, I noticed that.
So, will you tell the people what this park is? Because I forgot the name after you told me immediately.
It's Addo National Park, and there's supposed to be elephants, but it's just a regular national park that you can go. It's gonna be our first self-drive safari. But I read that regardless of the car, the roads are good, so.
And can you really have too many elephants? You probably can. I don't know. I might get tired of them. We'll see. Whoa, don't get so angry.
Got a map we're paid for. It's not too bad. It's actually like $24 a person, which I think is pretty reasonable. Let's go.
First thing we come across is a turtle or tortoise in the road. Just chilling. In the road.
In the road. We got a whole map with where to go. Looks relatively simple. But the roads are completely paved, which is quite interesting, unlike any other park we've been in so far. They're much larger than I thought, which is disturbing.
That's why in Zimbabwe they had a sign that says, "Do not run over the dung beetle." So I figured they were pretty big.
Onward.
Onward! Oh my gosh. So the speed limit is 40 kilometers an hour. But as Evans would say, we tend to go faster than 40 kilometers an hour when we see one of the big five. Got ourselves an ostrich. It was coming this way, but it got scared.
Saw your face.
Oh, we got some movement. Stay still. We literally found lions right on the side of the road. Holy, excuse my language, but look at this. Go, film it, film it, film it. How close are we supposed to get? I don't want to get super close.
Well, put your window partially up.
Did you just roll up your window?
Because I don't know what's gonna attack me from that side.
They seem much more massive in a small car like this. When you're like right down there on the ground with them, they're freaking intimidating. There's another one out there. Way out there.
This lion over here is the most creepy lion I've ever seen. It has like cataracts or something over its eyes, so they're all milky and cloudy, and it just stares at you. I don't know if you can see it.
We're gonna go get a closer look.
I like this one. Let's get a closer look after I finish looking at this one. There's 3 lions, and we're the only people around.
I know, it's crazy. We made the right choice.
So the animals are on the path. Let's go.
Shh, look at how massive she is. We're going to the cataracts one.
Oh gosh.
No, roll it down all the way.
It's down. Oh my god, it's gonna attack.
Oh my gosh. There's all 3 of them right there. I think we're going to leave the lions now, give them a break because we've been bugging them enough. We got really lucky.
I don't think we were bugging them, but
Well, we kept
maybe
getting...
our presence was bugging them.
Well, they kept getting up and moving, but it's crazy that we're the only cars here and no one else has driven yet so far. How about you're just getting its balls?
Okay. How do you want me to get anything else?
Saw the first elephant.
That's 3 of the big 5, actually. Aaron didn't mention that he sped by the elephant and didn't see the giant elephant.
Focusing on the road. It's right there, Humble.
I know.
No big deal, just driving by a giant elephant. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, did you see him react?
Yeah, he didn't like
He
it.
did not like that. I better stay away.
Look at him. Look how big he is.
They had the elephant right up in their face. Oh, I wish that was us.
We did get 3 lions by the road with no one there.
It's true.
I'll take the lions.
We have no idea. These are weird little
Those.
antelopes. These are elands.
Based off the picture.
Say what again? Said we don't need to film all the elefantes.
This is a herd of them, though.
Yeah, probably like the 10th one we've seen since our time in Africa.
So?
I want to see some up close, like in my face. These guys are pretty close, so. I'm so curious about this island. What is it doing? It's gonna be a stare down. Oh crap, it's coming. Oh my gosh.
It's gonna take out the car.
It looks like it's gonna take out the car. Holy crap. Oh, but I got my wish. We got lucky.
You got your wish.
Oh my gosh.
I thought he was gonna actually just keep going through the car.
Alright. Oh, here come more crossing.
You're 2 babies.
And now you got your babies crossing right in
Now
front.
I got my babies.
There's an even baby or baby.
A baby or baby.
You'll know what it means. Watch. It's just a different experience because, like, in a little car like this, because they just seem so much more massive. It's crazy. And here we have a Pumbaa. And Erica wanted us to show you the zebras. Just in case you didn't know what zebras look like, this is it. Got your zebras?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It sounded like a lion. That was
It
crazy.
sounded like a lion. I was trying to roll my windows up, and I couldn't. There's another one.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, he's coming over here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Here it comes. They're literally all around us. was nerve-wracking. That was absolutely and utterly insane.
I thought they were gonna just start toppling over the car or something.
That one was really upset, and we were pretty sure that we were in their path. And that's the reason it was upset. Oh man, it was so freaky.
But we couldn't move
Because
they were like all around us.
Literally every side of us, left, right, front, back. It was crazy.
Maybe it could have just been his call to tell them let's cross.
Maybe. Either way. Oh, my heart was racing. Like I could reach out and touch it.
It's crazy.
Whoo! I don't know if it can get much better than that. Beware of lions. There's a bench with the view.
I'm not getting out of the car.
You're not getting out of the car?
Not with a beware of lions sign.
So this is going to conclude the second part of our road trip. We went from Durban all the way down here to Port Elizabeth, right?
You're not quite there, but yeah.
Well, pretty much. And then we concluded it with this park, which was amazing. I honestly almost didn't want to come here. Erica convinced me.
Told him we were going to go anyways.
But good thing we did, because that experience was insane. We did get to see lions. We were completely surrounded by elephants, and it's going to be an unforgettable moment.
Yeah, it's really a pretty good park. They by far had the best roads that we have driven on in any park. We were a little bit worried about bringing our car here since it is a rental and it's pretty small, but there's not a problem at all. And lots of other people had small cars too.
We were speed racer, up to 40 kilometers an hour, of course. But I guess we're going to pick up with our next part of the road trip in South Africa, beginning with some exciting pet sitting. We'll go over that in a little more detail in the next video. Ta-ta for now.